is sixth chapter, trigonometry ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 3. Last two parts completed impounded basic formulas of the trigonometry. Today class discuss some problems of the using that formulas. Today discuss exercise 6A. First bit, convert the following into simplest form. Following trigonometry functions converted to simplest form. What is the first one? Tan of theta minus 14 pi. Theta minus 14 pi radians. First you can write this one is tan of theta minus 14 pi, given that this one is here. You can common these two terms minus tan of minus 14 pi minus theta, minus of 14 pi minus theta. Tan of minus theta formula is there, minus tan theta. What is the value of theta? Theta value is 14 pi minus theta. Already explained tan of minus theta formula. Here 14 pi minus theta. Here first of all you have to take in this quadrant 0, 90, 180, 270, nothing but 3 pi by 2, next to 2 pi. This one complete rotation. Suppose next rotation, this is what? 5 pi by 2. This is what? 3 pi. This is 7 pi by 2. This is 4 pi. 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi, 11 pi, 12 pi, 13 pi, 14 pi. This is the 14 pi. Here also we can write 14 pi. 14 pi minus theta. Minus theta lies on, this is the 14 pi. 14 pi minus nothing but this way or this way. In this coordinate, below coordinate is positive 14 pi plus theta. Above coordinate is a negative 14 pi minus theta. 14 pi minus theta lies on second quadrant. 14 pi minus theta lies on second quadrant. In this second quadrant, tan is positive or negative? Tan is negative. We can write tan is negative minus. Here 14 pi which function? 14 pi, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 40 pi, these are even functions. Even function ratio is unchanged, already explained. Nothing but tan is tan. 14 pi is even function, tan is tan. What is the value of theta? Theta value is theta. Minus into minus will get tan theta. This is the value of tan of theta minus 14 pi. This is a shortcut way, simple way using this plus symbol. Similarly, you can do that similar way. Here 21 pi by 2 is there. You can take plus symbol 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, next 2 pi. Here you can 21 pi by 2. Here you can use this y-axis. 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. 3 plus 2, 5 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, 13 pi by 2, 15 pi by 2, okay, 17 pi by 2, 19 pi by 2, 21 pi by 2. This is what? 21 pi by 2. 21 pi by 2 is this. 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Minus having first quadrant plus having second quadrant. Here 21 pi by 2 minus theta lies on first quadrant. Lies on first quadrant. In this first quadrant, cot is positive. Cot is positive. After that, 21 pi by 2 which function? Here pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. These are the odd functions. 21 pi by 2 also be odd function. 21 pi by 2 is odd function. Tan can be converted to cot, can be converted to tan. Tan can be converted to cot. Here 21 pi by 2 is the odd function. cot can be converted to tan, theta value is theta. This is the simplest form of the cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta. You can use this symbol. Okay, so the problem is, second problem, find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Number 1, sine of minus 405 degrees. This is the first one. Sine of minus 405. Minus 405 degrees nothing but anti-clockwise or clockwise? Clockwise direction. 405 degrees more than 360 degrees. First we have to take plus symbol. This one is 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. One complete rotation. Sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Theta value is 405 degrees. Here 360 degrees is there. 360 plus 90 how much? 450. Nothing but this 405 can be written as sine of 360 plus 45. Correct or not, students? 360 plus 45. How much? 360 plus 45 nothing but 405 degrees. Here 360, this total suppose you have to take theta. 360 plus theta lies on which quadrant? 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. First quadrant sine is, first quadrant which one sine is which? Positive or negative? First quadrant all ratios are positive. That's why sine also be positive. Minus sine is positive plus 360 which function? 360 is even function. Nothing but sine ratio is unchanged. Sine is sine. What is the value of theta? Theta value is 45 degrees. This one is the theta. 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. First quadrant sine is positive. 360 is even function. Sine is sine. Theta value is 45 degrees. Minus into plus minus sine 45. Sine 45 how much? Sine 45 already explained the table. You can read the table, you get easily understood this problem. Sine 45 is 1 by root. How much? 1 by root. You get sine of minus 405 degrees is equal to minus 1 by root. Similarly do that second one. Secant of 2100 degrees. 2100. Suppose this is 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. One complete rotation equal to 360 degrees. Two complete rotations, 720 degrees. Two complete rotations. Nothing but 360 into 2. Three complete rotations plus 360. 1080 degrees. 1080 degrees. Three complete rotations. 4 complete rotation, we can add this one 1440, 1440 degrees. One more 360 degrees can add, one more 360 degree can add 1800 degrees. This one is the 1800 degrees. 1800 plus 90, 1890 degrees. 1890 plus 90, 1980 degrees. 1980 degrees plus 90, how much? 2070 degrees. How much? 2070 degrees. 2070 degrees plus 90, 2160 degrees. How much? 2160 degrees. This is the 2160 degrees. Here secant 2100 nothing but 2160 degrees minus 60 degrees. Correct or not? Here secant 2100 degrees can be written as secant 2160 degrees minus 60 degrees. 2160 degrees lies on this line. Here 2160 degrees plus theta goes to first quadrant, minus theta goes to fourth quadrant. Here 2160 degrees minus theta form is there. Here 2160 minus theta lies on fourth quadrant. lies on fourth quadrant. In this fourth quadrant, secant is positive. 2160 degrees which function? 2160 degrees lies on here. These two x-axis having even functions. X-axis having quadrant angles are even. Nothing but this is also be even. This 2100 degrees is even function. Secant value you can write secant theta value is 60. What is the value of secant 60? What is the value of secant 60? Secant 60 value is 2. You can read trigonometry table formula. Next, today assignment problems are homework problems. Previous problem model. First assignment problem is cosecant of 5 pi plus theta. You can use previous problem tricks. You get easily get answer here. Here second one is secant 4 pi minus theta. Here we have place symbol 0, 90, 180, 3 pi value nothing but 270, 360, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi minus theta lies on fourth quadrant. 5p plus theta lies on third quadrant. Using this place symbol you get easily understood, easily get answer. Next, cos of minus 7 pi by 2. Cos of minus 7 pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. Cos of minus 97 is 630 degrees. Cos of minus theta, cos theta. Cos 630 degrees. This is 360. 360 plus 90, 450. 450 plus 90, 540. 540 plus 90, 630. Here 630 is there. 630 can written as cos of 630 plus 0. This is a 630 plus 0 having fourth quadrant. Cos 630 plus 0 nothing but fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos having positive. 630 is odd function. Cos is sine. You get the theta value is 0. Sine 0. You get 0. Similarly do the cot of minus 350.